The month of April has long been a time to respectfully remember our loss and also support the effort to make our community a better place. In a sign of support to those efforts, today, April 20th, is to be a day without hate. The Columbine survivors and Columbine community have supported our efforts as a way to hope and remember, and we encourage you to as well. So teachers and students, today we are asking everyone at Southeastern High School to start a chain reaction in support of no hate by stepping into the hall and linking hands or arms across campus. And when our chain is complete, Senior Antonio Hernandez will ring the Trojan bell 14 times, 13 times in honor of the lives lost at Columbine, and the last bell in remembrance of all lives lost in hate and violence.
The administration at Southeastern High School has coordinated a school-wide memorial to help our students remember that we must have unity at our school and that violence is not the answer. After gathering all 2,411 students, which were united by linking arms, Senior Antonio Hernandez rang the victory bell 13 times. This bell that is traditionally used to celebrate the school's victory was today used to remember the 13 lives that were lost 19 years ago in Colorado.
I hope that they stand united with each other as well and saying that, there's going to be no more hate and end school violence, and we can start right here making a difference. It has to start somewhere, and it might as well start here. And in support of all the other campuses across the nation that want to end school violence and school hate, we join them.
After the students were released, students and teachers gathered by the Unity poster to make their mark and show their support.
A lot of schools are disciplining their students and punishing them for walking out, while our school embraced it and put something together that the students weren't even aware of till the moment it happened.
After the sign chain was complete, there were about 700 links signed. They were later gathered and wrapped around the school's mascot, Hector the Trojan. This was done in order to show that our school is united. Ms. Winky later mentioned that this could be the start of a lovely tradition.
I felt emotional because of the 13 people who passed, and that as you go through the bells, you think about their names and you think about who they were as people and how it happened to them. You feel a little bad, but then you feel a little happiness inside of you knowing that you're honoring it. I feel like we need to be humble and kind. Just be all as one community and as one society. Is just be happy and just be kind of chilled out. Just good.
I thought it was very important that we came together as Trojans so that we could stand united against not only school violence but violence in general. There's other ways to handle your differences, and I think it was important that we made a stand, and it was a nice symbol to honor the tragedy that happened at Columbine 19 years ago today.
Walking the halls in this school, the things I fear the most is, I guess what you can say is knowing someone one day and then them being gone the next day. It's crazy to think about that. In the blink of an eye, someone can disappear, and that's pretty scary. What I like to add is that don't just let this be an event, don't just let this be a memory, don't just let this be something you see, something you tweet, something you repost. Don't let this be that. Let this be a conversation starter. Let this be something that can change and happen, and something that can maybe, because it takes more than just, hey, let me retweet this. It takes more than that. It's also saying, hey, you know what, that kid has issues. Let me help him out. Hey, I heard something bad. Let me tell someone else. That's what it's about, and that's what I want to happen. Not just you reposting or retweeting this.
My greatest concern at school is safety, for the reason being that parents send their kids to school every day in hopes that they come home safe, and while schools do their best doing that, it's not necessarily the school's fault. It's mainly student-on-student violence. And by bringing awareness to that, I feel that violence will reduce at school.